In the industrial manufacturing process, after the product design, all the samples are tested for performance. The emergence of industrial-grade 3D printers can quickly produce samples from different materials, compare the performance, and select the best batch manufacturing solution. Here is an introduction to the performance test process of the V-Wheel made by the Piocreat industrial-grade Granular 3D printer G5. We do multiple press and impact tests with 3 V-Wheel made of TPU, PA, and PP material with the same specifications with same nozzles. This red V-Wheel is made of TPU material with red master batch using nozzle printing temperature of 220 degrees centigrade and hot bed temperature of 80 degrees centigrade. The surface of V-Wheel is smooth and delicate, with good elasticity and flexibility. After being pressed and heated for many times, the V-Wheel still presents good mechanical properties and can quickly return to its original shape. TPU material are commonly used in shoe manufacturing, medical and health, electronic appliance, industry, sports, and other fields. They can be used for 3D printing to produce cushioning elements, protective gears, shoe soles, and so on. The brown-gray V-Wheel is made of PA material printed with a nozzle printing temperature of 260 degrees centigrade and a hot bed temperature of 65 degrees centigrade. Through the press and impact test, the material presents low impact sound and no deformation facing impact. PA as a large volume engineering plastic. It is widely used in the machinery, automobiles, electrical appliance, textile equipment, chemical equipment, aviation, metallurgy, and other fields. It can be used for 3D printer to produce thin-walled pipes, product shell, impellers, sports consumer goods, and automotive instrument, pen and grid window, and so on. The ash-white V-Wheel is made of PP material at a nozzle printing temperature of 230 degrees centigrade and a hot bed temperature of 80 degrees centigrade. The surface adhesion is good and the glass is general. After several times of press and impact, the surface didn't bend, only leave some white dots. PP material are widely used in food packaging, household goods, automobiles, optical fibers, etc. It also can be used for 3D printing to produce automobile and electrical parts, as well as various containers, furniture, packaging material, and medical equipment. Follow us to see and learn more about how the Piocreat industrial printer G5 print parts and finished products.